Guys, I'm going to show you how to clean partridge. Step 1. See your wings here? Oh, okay. Put it like this. Spread out the wings. Put 2 feet like this. And then you'll grab the feet here. And then you will pull. Step on it hard, guys. And you pull. And then all this and the head is garbage. Throw that in the bush. And then you'll be left with like the wings and some of the liver. So there you're going to need your hand. If you don't like looking at guts, this might not be the thing for you. So don't look at it. I don't think what it is. Then you're going to grab the wings here. You're literally just going to snap it. And twist it. Oh, one of the wings broke off because I shot it weird. But after you break it, here. If you know how to break it, I suck at it. But there, broken. Now, should be left with is all this, but you can just grab all the feathers off and then rinse it. When you rinse it, then you're done. See you in the next video.